go to Joaquin's kindergarten today. It's Grandparents' Day, and we flipped a coin, and I get to go, so. Anyway, Steve's gonna make some Tamari roasted nuts. Great for a snack. I wish I could eat them. Make them, do it well. Bye.
All right, here we go. That's kind of a win-win situation, actually. Okay, these are Tamari roasted nuts. They're awesome. They're really good. You can grab a handful of them. You can put them on steel cut oats. We have a video for that. You can put them on quinoa salad. We have a video for that. You can put them on a regular salad. They're all-purpose, great. Okay, here's what you use. These are cashews, whole raw cashews. Stick those in there. This is 1 cup of those. Also 1 cup of almonds, raw almonds. Put them in there. The oven is heated at 300 degrees. I'm going to put them in the oven, and I'm going to let them sit in the oven for about 10 or 12 minutes. I like to keep them in for like 12 minutes. She says 10 to 12 minutes till they get hot. Now, when I pull them out in 10 to 12 minutes, when they have that nutty aroma, then I'm going to add cumin, coriander, half a teaspoon of each, and a pinch of cayenne with the soy sauce. I'm going to sprinkle it over, then we're going to pop them back in the oven until they dry out. Hang on, excuse me. Roadkill. How's it going?
Hey, Stevie, how you doing?
How's the trial?
Oh, it's going all right. It's going all right.
Can you come over?
Yeah. Can I borrow some of your tools?
Yeah, I got tools. I got plenty of tools.
And your wife's going to be all right?
She's not going to be around. I'll be fine.
All right. I'll see you later.
Thanks. Okay, now I'm just going to mix these together. A friend of mine is going to come over and help me with the plumbing. Okay, cumin, half a teaspoon. Mix that in with the tamari or shoyu or soy, whatever you want to call it. And this is coriander. Mix that in there. Simple. Pinch of cayenne. This is up to you. I don't like too much, but I like. Yeah, just like that. A little more. There we go. What the? Okay, that's it. So now all I'm doing is going to mix this up, and in 10 or 12 minutes, I'll be able to tell because I'll be able to smell it. But we'll take that out and bring it on. So we're just going to wait until it's done. Okay, here we go. I'm sprinkling this in, making that nice little exciting thing, and then I'm just going to mix it in. You could use a spoon, you could put it in a bowl, whatever you want. I'm just going to mix it around like this until the whole thing is mixed together. Here we go. Oh yes, just like downtown. Okay, now and then we're going to put it back in. When I put it back into the oven, I'm going to put it in for 2 or 3 minutes. The point to putting it back in is just to make sure it's dry, completely dry. So after it gets all dry, then I'll put it back in. Okay, how's that look to you? Looks good to me. Okay, put it back in for 2 minutes till it's dry. See you in 2 minutes. Oh, those are nice. Okay, that's it. Okay, you pour them in here.
Hey, Stevie.
Roadkill.
Something smells good in here.
Come on. Some white roasted nuts. You gotta like them.